Chemical reaction. Times whenever a chemical change occurs, it is said to be chemical reaction. Times the process in which new substances with new properties are formed from one or more substances is called chemical reaction. For example, times rusting of iron, times burning of wood, times formation of curd, times respiration, etc. Following observations help to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place. 1. Change in state. 2. Change in color. 3. Evolution of a gas. 4. Change in temperature. Types of chemical reactions. There are several types of chemical reaction based on different factors. However, in chemical reactions and equations notes, some of them are mentioned as classification of chemical reactions based on chemical change. 1. Combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new single substance. For example, CaS plus O2, G, CO2, G. 2. Decomposition reaction. The reaction in which a single substance decomposes to give two or more substances. AB plus C. Decomposition reactions can be of three types. Times thermal decomposition, when a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating. For example, CaCO3, S, CaO, S, plus CO2, G, calcium carbonate, quicklime, carbon dioxide. Photolytic decomposition, when decomposition is carried out in presence of sunlight. Example, 2AgCl, S, plus sunlight to Ag, S, plus Cl2, G. 3. Displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which an element displaces another element from its solution. For example, Phase plus CuSO4, Ag, FeSO4 plus Cus. 4. Double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms are mutually exchanged. For example, Na2SO4 plus BaCl to BaSO4, S, plus to NaCl. 5. Precipitation reaction. The reaction which involves formation of precipitate, insoluble substance, is known as precipitation reaction. For example, Pb, number 3, 2, Ag, plus to Ki, Ag to No 3, Ag, plus PBI2, S. 6. Oxidation reaction. The reaction in which substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen is called as oxidation reaction. USAP. For example, to Cu, S, plus O2, G, plus heat to CuO, S. 7. Reduction reaction. The reaction in which substance gains hydrogen or loses oxygen is called as reduction reaction. For example, CaS plus to H2, G, CH4, G. Oxidation reduction reaction. Redox reaction. The reaction in which one reactant gets oxidized and the other reactant gets reduced is called as oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. In this reaction, simultaneous oxidation and reduction reactions take place. For example, ZNO plus CZN plus CO. Main O2 plus 4H close MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2 corrosion. Times when a metal is exposed to substances such as moisture, acid, etc. for some time, a layer of hydrated oxide is formed which weakens the metal and hence metal is said to be corrode. Times rusting of iron. Black coating on silver and green coating on copper are examples of corrosion. Times corrosion can be prevented by galvanization, electroplating or painting. 2. Rancidity. The oxidation of fats and oils when exposed to air is known as rancidity. It leads to bad smell and bad taste of food. Methods to prevent rancidity. Times by adding antioxidants. Times keeping food in airtight containers. Times replacing air by nitrogen. Times refrigeration.